Hello everyone, so today we will be solving this question. This is also from one of the SAT practice tests. So if you look at the question, then it is the equation 224x squared plus 25x minus 47 over ax minus 2 is equal to minus 8x minus 3 minus 53 by ax minus 2. So your first instinct would probably be to factorize this term and then move forward, but then since this is from no calculator section, that would not be possible. So what is the next move? So do we send this ax minus 2 this side, and then it will multiply the other terms and then do it? But then we have to remember that we have only around 1 minute 25 seconds for this question, so that too wouldn't be possible. So a question like this would probably not be easy to do if you have not seen questions like this previously. So what is the way to solve this question then? That is a real thing we need to address. So what we have to understand is, let us forget this question for a while and let's take another example. So let's say we have a question 7 by 3, and we know that the answer is 2 point something, but then 2 is the quotient and 1 would be the remainder, isn't it? So this is the quotient and this is the remainder. So if we want to address 7, that's the number getting divided by 3, with respect to quotient, remainder and divider, then what we can do is into divider, I think it is known as divisor, is equal to plus the remainder, isn't it, is equal to the number 7. So over here is 2 into 3 plus 1 is equal to 7. 7 is equal to 7. So whatever we thought of is the true way of solving it, isn't it? Yes. So similarly, we can use that understanding to solve this question. This question is very similar to that thing. So what we can do is, so 7 by 3 is equal to 2 plus 3 times 2 plus 1. We've established that thing, haven't we? So no, it's just 2. Yeah, so it was so 7 by 3 is equal to the quotient plus the remainder divided by the divider, isn't it? Yes. So what we have here is the same as well. This is the number that we can compare to 7 over 3, and this is most likely the quotient, and the rest is the remainder by divider. So previously what we did was we multiplied the quotient. So let's go over here. So to get whatever is to be divided, we multiplied the quotient, that would be this, with the divider, that is ax minus 2, and then added the remainder, in this case minus 53. We have to bear in mind the sign of the remainder as well. So 53, that would equal the thing that is getting divided. So that is 24x squared plus 25x minus 47, isn't it? Yes. So I gave the example of 7 over 3 because it's a practical example and you understand how that thing came. So again, understand that what we have is quotient plus multiply the thing that divides. I'd say divider. I think the correct word is divide. I'm not sure. Plus the remainder is equal to the thing getting divided. Thing getting divided in that particular question. There are correct terms for them. I'm not really sure what they are called. Wait, let's just divider. I think it is divisor, or yeah, let's move forward with the question. I don't think we need the correct term. I hope you've already understood what I meant to say, but then so yeah, if you want to really use the correct term, then I think it would be divisor, and the thing getting divided is known as dividend, is equal to dividend. Yeah, so we've understood this, and now what we do is we simply multiply this and get the content of the left hand side ready. I don't think I've added, we don't need this page, delete it. Let's add another page, and another page should suffice. So yeah, so now after we multiply, we get on the left hand side, I'm supposing we get minus 8ax square plus 16x minus 3ax is equal to, the right hand side does not change, we did no operation over there, so it would be 24x square plus 25x minus 47. And I hope you are familiar with the concept of equating the coefficients. So if both sides are equal, then the coefficient of x squared, x, and x to the power is 0, that is x to the power 0, would be equal. You don't need to write this. So when you equate the coefficient, then 8a minus 8a is equal to 24. That's what you get. And then minus a is equal to 3, isn't it? So, and that way, therefore, a is equal to minus 3. This is what we get, So this is the answer we get. It is not very difficult once you understand what the real process is about. But then if you are attempting this question for the first time, then it'll surely take some time for you to understand this question. Then the example of 7 by 3, I hope, has helped you understand it. So it would be 2 plus 1 over 3. So this is the quotient, this is the remainder, and this was the divisor, and this of course is the dividend. So yeah, we can erase this off. I've already talked about it previously. So yeah, there you go. This is the final answer to this question. Not very difficult, but then of certainly thought-provoking, I would say. So thank you for joining me on this video, and I hope to see you in my other videos. Thank you.